Hello everyone, my name is Jamie Willett. I'm a consultant with Encryption Consulting, and today we're going to be discussing how you can use Mage and CodeSigning Secure together to sign manifests. Mage is the manifest generation and editing tool. It is a command line tool that supports the creation and editing of application and deployment manifests. As a command line tool, it can be run from both bash scripts and other Windows-based applications. The tool is automatically installed with Visual Studio, so you should already have it on your system if you are using Visual Studio. You'll need to find Mage's install directory and include it in the path in order to run the commands as they're written here. Let's sign with Mage. We're going to sign this test.manifest file. First, we'll use mage-sign. And we're going to put the path to our desired manifest file. Then we're going to need the certificate thumbprint after -ch in order to perform the signing. We're going to use EV code signing. To see its thumbprint, we can double click on it and view the details. The last entry under details is the certificate's thumbprint. We can copy this and put it in the command line here. And from here, we'll be able to successfully sign the manifest file. As you can see, we've successfully signed the manifest. And this concludes the demonstration on how to sign using Mage with CodeSigning Secure. If you need a code signing application that integrates with the products and services you already use, CodeSigning Secure has your back. Please reach out to Encryption Consulting, and we can set up a demo for code signing.